This is a small 3D printed coin ring heart maker. Included is the case, which is reinforced with stainless steel nuts. You get included a large insert, which will do coins quarter size to $half size. And there's an optional small insert, which can do sizes US penny up to a quarter. And then a steel bar to do the pressing with. To get started, take the insert, take your prepared coin ring, size 10.5 or 11, and place it in the jig. Make sure it's nice and snug. The snugger the better. It should absolutely fit as tight as possible in the jig. Take the cover, place it over top, and using the bottom hole, place the steel rod through the middle of the ring. You're then going to take your complete jig over to a press, an arbor press. A 6-ton arbor is the best because you can feel the pressure. And you're just going to give it a little squeeze down until you feel the pressure stopping it. Once you've done that, you can take the cover off, remove the pin, and you can see that the bottom of the heart is starting to form. To complete it, put it back into the jig. And it should kind of stay in place just from the bottom of the heart sitting in there. Place the cover back on, and we're going to put the steel rod through the top hole and above the ring. Again, we're going to take it over to our press, and this is where it's crucial that you do not overpress, or you'll make some really funny looking hearts that don't really look like hearts. Something like this. So don't overpress, just a gentle press. You can do it multiple times to get it exact. Take the rod out, pull out the top, and you can see it's just pressed enough to make a nice rounded heart. Now these are rounded hearts, these are not straight wall hearts. So it's a nice small rounded heart. And you're done. Similarly, if you want to use the small jig, just make a smaller coin ring, size approximately 7 to 8. Again, make sure it's nice and snug in there, as tight as possible to fit in the jig, and then repeat the process. Put the cover on, use your insert, your pin insert, put it through the middle of the ring, use the press to press it down. Take that out. There you can see it starting. Put it through the top hole, place it on top, back to the press, and again, don't overpress here. This is where the most mistakes will be made. A very slight press. Take the pin out, and there you go. We have a small coin ring heart. And there's the two different sizes.